Hey guys, so we're going someplace special today. We're going to pick up a new car for Tony.
I'm so excited. No, we're not going to tell you what it is yet.
Oh yeah.
When we pick it up, most definitely we're going to show you what it is. It's going to be an absolute unit of a machine when it is built to its potential. It's very rough right now, but when we're done with it, when we repaint it, put a new motor in it, when we put a trans in it, when we put an ECU in it, it already has interior trim pieces for the most part. It just needs, basically, we're gonna have to redo the dash. It is very cracked. It is known for having cracked dashes, so there's a little hint of what we're getting. And
it's known for being broken.
It's known for being broken, yes. And so I'm hoping.
No, it's not an RX-7.
It's not an RX-7.
It's also Robbie's birthday today.
Yes,
Happy birthday, Robbie! Woo! Big 20s!
I got up at 6:30.
Yeah,
we're 6, dude. What are you talking about?
Why'd you get up at 6?
I live farther away from you.
Oh, you are
I
right.
got 2 hours of sleep.
Shut up, no nasty.
It's very fair, yeah. I work night shift, so that's how it be. But so we got the trailer from U-Haul. Thank you, U-Haul, for giving us.
I'd get a shot, but there's no way.
I got
seen back there.
Boom, Ram 1500, camera right then and there.
Chrysler.
So Chrysler, it's nice, but at the same time, it's nah, you know. So
yeah,
it is. This is gonna be a fun little road trip. It's an hour up. The car's at Gainesville, so we're gonna have to drive an hour up and then an hour back. And we should, everything should flow smoothly. So I'm gonna pull out the cash now. The guy, I already talked to him. He sounds like a really sweet dude. He basically purchases chassis for cheap and then he resells them. But this one that we're purchasing is $500 and it is very cheap for the chassis that it is.
It looks to be in really good condition.
As well, no rust, clean title, doesn't come with a motor and trans. That's obviously, you know, that's an obvious. And so it's going to be a fun little road trip and a fun build. I'm very excited for this build. I've always wanted to do something like this.
Why are you stopping, school bus? Gas is on the right.
Gas is...
So, yeah, we'll catch up with you when we get there. We gotta stop by a bank.
We're definitely gonna curb it.
Stop here real quick, because I only counted 480. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, that's 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, that's 3.
Turn right.
4.
In 1.1 miles, turn left.
I'm just stupid, we're good.
All right.
Nice. Let's go.
So,
We have gotten the money. Now it's time to go get a car.
All right, guys, so I'm a little bit out of breath because we were basically pushing this 240 out of the corner over there. And let me just say that I'm very happy with the buy. By the way, you have been an absolute blessing. So you are awesome.
Yeah, clean ass body. I hope you finish this shit.
Oh, most definitely, dude.
We won't let him stop.
I'm going to. No, I'm full.
Explain to them how we're gonna load this.
No, that's so basically right now as the 246 has flat tires, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to load onto the U-Haul. But I'm going to pull the truck out, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little bit, the road slants down, so we're going to use gravity to our benefit and basically push it all the way up and basically load it up from the right there. So all right, so Rob's going to now shift this over. So now Rob shifted basically the beautiful big blue down to the down on the road so that we have the hill to our benefit, and I have to now do this, so you guys are gonna watch me pull out these tracks. So, yeah. When you guys are loading up a car also, make sure that you pull the strap underneath so that way when the wheel sits over it, you can pull it over and then you can load it up and it's secure. So it's not gonna fall off and die.
tell people this. How did you know this?
I've done this a few times before.
Yo, the amount of freaking gosh. Oh gosh, the amount of like mold that I just took in is insane. Oh god. Alright, that's awesome. So there you go. Now the 240 is successfully loaded up. And now we're basically gonna just strap it down, and Rob pulled a little thing out of his booty hole. Right here, check this out, man. So he straight up, there's these tabs that you can pull out. There's these tabs you can pull out, and then the entire fender will just roll down so you can get out. It's genius.
Never used the U-Haul before.
Shut up, Rob. Shut up, Rob. There we go. So now we're just gonna basically lock the car in place, make sure it can't go anywhere. Load the hatch into the trailer or into the bed of the truck because.
Brake on?
Yeah, e-brake's on. Yeah, this is good. But right now, this hatch, someone had a wing before and it just completely rusted through. And instead of fixing it, I'm just gonna buy another hatch that basically comes with the car, which is great. So
240's loaded. Let's go.
radiator,
Turbo kit.
radiator, dude. It's gonna be an expensive build, but it's
It starts to add up quickly.
It's a good chassis to start off with. It's
Yes.
a good cheap chassis too.
And
so.
what's nice is I'm gonna have it in a storage unit, so I'm not gonna blow this thing out through like a week or a month.
It's like a clear.
Yeah, it's fine to worry about. We're gonna repaint
We're gonna
everything,
repaint it.
I love how it just like something.
so. Build.
It's gonna take some time to build for sure, but it'll be all worth it towards the end.
Yep. Welcome to Project Cars.
Now that's a lot of damage! Alright guys, so I officially have the title in my hand. The 240 is ours. It's not mine, but it's ours. We're gonna work on it, we're gonna build it to absolute beauty. It's gonna be a great car, and you can see it chilling back there, I think. Can you?
She's just vibing. I got some B-roll of us.
Nice, nice. And so the car in total was $750, and that's because, as you saw, the rear hatch was rusted through, but luckily I had one more, and he paid $250 for it, so we agreed on terms of me paying the same rate that he paid for it, so I also paid $250. So in total, the car came down to $750, which all in all is not a bad buy for.
Yeah, it's a good chassis. All the rust that's on it is just surface rust, so it can come off either with just high pressure washing or with a little bit of sanding. So overall, it's a straight chassis. It's a good chassis.
Yeah,
it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be a great build. So make sure you stay tuned, and let's head home now.
So don't look.
I'm looking at